So how to make GIF iPhone from your live photo? First of all, suppose I want to take a live photo. This is a live photo. Now go to your shortcut, your iPhone. Go to here and press on gallery. And from there you have to search on GIF. Then you see different option. You have to choose create a GIF from a live photo or video. This one. Press on this icon and add it as shortcut. And go to your shortcut and make a GIF. Press this on and you have to select your live photo that I take recently. Wait a couple of seconds and GIF automatically made it. And if you want to save it on your gallery, you have to press on image middle here and you see this option, or from the top of the corner image, save to file or save to photo. If you want to save on GIF on your gallery, then you have to choose save to photo. And if you want to save it on file, not your photo gallery, then just save to file. I want to save it on my photo gallery, save to photo and press on done. Now go to my photo gallery and this is my GIF 839 KB. This is how you can easily make GIF from your live photo on your iPhone without any third-party apps. Hope you enjoy. Please do subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.